Hi everyone, my name is Aryan from class 9 and today I am going to tell about journey of revolution in agriculture sector. The transformative journey of India's agriculture and allied sector marked by a series of revolutions that have shaped nation's progress and prosperity. The Green Revolution, which began in 1960s, was a pivotal moment in India's history. Through the introduction of high-yielding variety seeds, chemical fertilizers, advanced irrigation techniques, we have overcome the chronic food shortage and achieved self-sufficiency in staple crops like wheat and rice. This revolution has transformed India from a food deficit nation to one who capable for feeding its own population. Building on the success, the White Revolution or the Operation Flood revolutionized the dairy industry in 1970s. Led by the visionary Dr. Verghese Kurian, this initiative turned India into the world's largest milk producer, enhancing the nutritional security of our country. The Blue Revolution focused on growth and modernization of our fisheries and aquaculture sector. Recognizing the vast potential of our marine and inland water resources, we have implemented the policies and practices that boosted our fish production, providing livelihood opportunities to coastal communities and contributing significantly to our economy. The Brown Revolution brought about a significant transformation in horticulture sector, in facing the production of fruits, vegetables, and spices. This revolution has diversified our agriculture output. The Yellow Revolution started in 1980s, aimed at increasing the production of oilseeds. This revolution has reduced our dependence on imported edible oils. Together, this all revolution has played a crucial role in transforming India's agricultural landscape. They are the testament to the resilience and hard work of our farmers, dedication of our scientists, and foresight of our policymakers. Thank you.